Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this water text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to text and I'm just going to type in the word water, or you can type in ocean or anything else. I'm also going to change the font here. Let's use this one. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to right click on the text. Then you're going to go to effects and you're going to go to the search for effects, and you're going to try to find ripple distortion and you're going to add it to your text here. You can adjust the blur, the twist, even the strength and the size. I'm just going to adjust the strength a little bit, and you can also adjust the speed. And that is it. That is too fast and the twist is too much. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!